frozen yogurt with frozen berries. I have a sweet tooth like many people out there, but we want to reduce sugar as much as we can, especially processed or refined sugar, because that actually is damaging to your gut lining and to your healthy bacteria. It promotes unhealthy bacteria, not the good guys. So what do I do instead? Well, yogurt. We know yogurt is a great source of probiotics. Yogurt with live and active cultures. Yep. So what I like to do is make my own frozen yogurt with frozen berries. Now, why frozen berries? I recommend in the book, and it's generally recommended to get at least 5 servings, so a half cup serving of fruits and vegetables every single day. But that's kind of hard, first of all, from a cost perspective, but also convenience. You don't want to run to the store every 3 days because the fruit's spoiling. I like to keep frozen fruit and frozen veggies.
I tell people this all the time. It's much less expensive to buy frozen fruits and vegetables, frozen spinach, frozen berries. They're actually, if you look at the unit per price, it's less expensive than the fresh, and you always have them.
Correct. And they're just as nutritious. People worry that, I'm not going to have the same vitamins. That's not true. Actually, the freezing process locks in the vitamins and the nutrients. So I'm adding just frozen berries, yogurt, and then, we want a little sweetness. I'm going to get just a little drop of vanilla and a little tiny squeeze of honey.
Don't you love squeezing the honey bear? I love squeezing a honey bottle. It's
love
fun.
My honey bear. And this is a super loud blender, so I'm just going to, show you what we would be doing.
But it comes out like delicious ice cream.
Comes out like yummy, yummy dessert. Yes.
Amazing, amazing. It's just as satisfying as ice cream.
Totally. I love garlic and popcorn. Great source of fiber. So we know that fiber, and you're going to hear this in the book over and over again, fiber is so important for your gut. So I love a snack of popcorn, and then I just add the garlic powder to give that delicious flavor. Garlic itself is a prebiotic. A prebiotic is something that fuels the growth of probiotics. So it's going to give energy and food to your healthy bacteria to allow them to grow and proliferate and be more balanced.
Who doesn't want garlic popcorn? I mean, come on, people. This is not a hard sell.
Exactly.
This is not a hard sell.
Not at all.
I thank you so much.
Thank you, Rachel.
Double R. From this double R to this double R. Congratulations again. Gut renovation. What a smart, easy idea for all of us to use.